In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink in Foxit PDF editor. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top left here on the Home tab, and you want to click on Select. After this, you want to select the text where you want to add a hyperlink. So for example, I want a hyperlink over this muscular endurance text over here. Highlight that, right-click it, and click on where it says Create Link. Over here, you can of course select what you want to link to. You can go to a page view, name, position, etc. But I'm just going to do open a web link over here. And when you do that, you can go ahead and of course select the colors, border style, stuff like that. So that's basically how this link, the hyperlink, is going to appear. And then click on next. And for me, I'll be able to put in the URL for which I'm going to put my YouTube channel. And I click OK over here. And as you can see, this is now basically like it has a border, and it means it's now a hyperlink. When I click on it, it's going to basically, if I allow this, take me to my YouTube channel's site. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.